Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about one of my absolute favorite brand which I absolutely love and I love their products. So I'm talking about Plum. So today I'm going to talk about Plum brand, and if you're interested in watching this video, please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified for it. Now let's get started with the video. Plum is India's first 100% vegan brand, and in this brand they have really very nice products. They have their skincare products, they have their hair care products, they are into beauties, and now they are launching baby plum also. And I should say I absolutely love their mist. I'm just fan of their mist. I have literally emptied 2-3 bottles of their mist. I have some exciting news for you all guys. Plum has reached 9 years of milestone with spreading their goodness. Get ready to celebrate because Plum is on cloud 9 with the massive sale happening right now. Head over to the Plum 9th birthday bash, which is on plumgoodness.com, to shop all their beauty essentials with almost 50% discount. Trust me, you don't want to miss this birthday party because you will really regret it later. So guys, now I am thrilled to show you my PR package which I have received, which Plum has sent me. So now let's see the product. This all products I have received from Plum. Now let's see each of the products and their uses. See, this is Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine Shampoo. So you can see this is the shampoo and it comes with a pump. This retails for $349, and as I told you, discount is going on, so you can just use the discount coupon code. So this coconut milk is rich in lauric fattic acid. Due to its low molecular weight, can penetrate the hair shaft easily and help to strengthen the fiber. And this shampoo is for all hair types. So goodbye to all the dullness. Hello shine, softer, shinier hair with this shampoo. So you can see after using this shampoo, my hair has really become so soft. I just love my hair after using this shampoo, and it will really remove all your dryness and will give you super shiny hair. The second product which I want to show you is their Plum Niacinamide Face Serum. I should say I've started using this serum and I'm just falling in love with this serum. This is their Plum Niacinamide Face Serum, which helps to clear blemishes, improve the skin texture. This brand is 100% vegan, as I told you. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So let's see how the bottle looks like. So this is how the cute bottle looks like. Let's test out the texture. So it comes with a dropper, so it's very easy to use. As you can see, the texture, it's very runny and very nice. You can see it really gets absorbed into your skin and will really help you to clear your blemishes. It will really give you that nice hydration which your skin needs, and it's really good for your skin. So if you have never used any serum, so this serum is perfect for you because this is a beginner friendly serum. It has niacinamide which really helps to clear your skin. So as I told you, it has niacinamide, it has amino acids, it has rice water which really helps to keep your skin clean. So the next product I have to talk about is the Plum Kajal, which I absolutely love. As you all, if you are my old subscriber, you must be knowing I just love Kajal, and this is one of the best Kajal I have come across. So this is their Plum All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and it's much proof, it is waterproof, it's 100% vegan and preservative free. So and it comes, a sharpener comes free with this. So let's see, this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with in this cute packaging. You can see it comes in this cute packaging. So now let's open it. So guys, this is how the kajal looks like, and it comes with a sharpener. So you can see the cute packaging of the sharpener. I will show you. So it opens like this, and this is the sharpener. So you don't need to worry about the sharpener and all things. And this is how the packaging looks like. Now let's see. It's a dark black kajal. I will show you over here. You can see one swipe and you see the pigmentation. We'll just apply on our eyes also. Superb. You can see this is how the kajal looks like. It's super pigmented, and I should say I absolutely love their kajal. You should absolutely give it a try to this kajal. So guys, don't miss out this sale. So in this sale you can get your favorite products in half the price, almost half the price. All the links of the products are in the description box below if you are interested in buying the products. Oh, there is a secret. Plum is generously giving away at least 9 plums with every order above rupees 2000. Isn't that amazing? And one more surprise for you guys. This is my coupon code. You are getting the discount, plus you use my coupon code, you will get extra discount on that. Isn't that amazing for you guys? This is my coupon code. You can use my coupon code. You can get additional 10% discount using my coupon code. What else you want, guys? Go and order now. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.